Jennifer with Entry Envy, and I want to show you how to hang an over-the-door sign that usually is going on an apartment door or a dorm or an assisted living facility that's got plenty of extra for you. And it also includes an alcohol wipe and a clear command hook. 3M, it's removable, it won't damage your door. The first thing that we're going to do is actually put the hook on the door. Now, I'm going to show you kind of on this side of it, but I'll do it on the other side. We're going to hang this hook upside down. This is key. Not this way, but this way. And you're going to hang it on the door on the other side about 2 to 3 inches from the top. You're going to use your alcohol wipe to clean the door off and make sure that it's free from any residue. You'd wipe the door, you'd put the hook on upside down. I'm gonna do this real quick. Just peel the back part off. I know if you got nails, that might be a little challenging to do. And we're gonna stick it on. And when you put that hook on, also want to make sure it's in the center of your door. All doors are different width. Measure how far it is, divide by 2, mark on the other side of the door, and that's where your hook's gonna go, or otherwise your sign's not gonna be in the middle. Then what you wanna do is take your sign, hold it by the ribbon. This is secured on here, and there's 2 little bumpers on the back, so it's not gonna bang against your door. And you're gonna decide what height you want this to be at. So I'm gonna hold it right here, and it's on the hook, and I'm gonna say, okay, how high do I want this to be? You don't want it all the way up here. You don't want your guests to be seeing the bottom of it. You don't want it too low, but you want it kind of at a nice eye level height. And think about kind of where it is in relation to the door being open. I like this height, there's no right or wrong. Once you've kind of held it and decided what height it's gonna go at, you're gonna hold it with your finger where that hook is at, and you're gonna take it off and you're gonna kind of tie a knot. But you're not gonna tie it all the way. This ribbon is really slick, and different ribbon comes with different signs. So this one's a little harder to work with, but you wanna go ahead and tie it and kind of leave a hole. And then that's the part that you're gonna slip over the back of the hook once it's on, and then tighten it around there. If you don't like the height, you can just adjust it. Don't cut the end of your ribbon off the extra until you've made sure you like that height where it's at. That's it. There's your Entry Envy door. Each month, you can have your subscription sent to you to refill your kit in the updated season or holiday that's in trend.